In today's video, let's talk about something that just really isn't spoke on much, and it's called maximizing your past efforts for your future successes from the perspective of you're going to a formal listing presentation. You are going and holding an open house. So imagine the opportunity, take advantage of something as simple as utilizing your smartphone to film content around that specific listing, or you potentially do long form that could potentially go on YouTube to talk about that specific area, so then you can be able to build a know, like, and trust and maximize something called passive prospecting. In today's video, we want to go deeper into passive prospecting. What does it mean to passive prospect? What does it mean to tie in passive prospecting with passive prospecting systems? And also go deeper into what are some activities that you could do with long form or short form when you specifically go in and you do what you do at your potential listing presentation, at your listing, showing a listing to a potential buyer, or just going to an inspection. See, there are 4 different reasons to be able to put content out there. So let's talk about it. Okay, the first thing you could do with short form content with your smartphone is showcase the local shopping center, potentially get a bagel, get some coffee, and be able to connect with the owner if the owner's available, and be able to talk a little bit about that said specific coffee shop, bagel shop, restaurant, and then tie it in to proximity to where the listing's located. Imagine you go out and you're gonna go to, say, lunch. And this is after you just held, or before you were about to hold, your open house event. You meet with the owner of the restaurant, and next thing you know, you get into talking about how you have a listing and how you're gonna be holding an open house from 2 to 4 and so on and so forth. Well, imagine if you had the opportunity to market your listing at that specific restaurant, or imagine you doing a quick, say, either video or a quick picture or a quick reel of that food that you just had at that restaurant, and you tagged that restaurant and you said something on your story saying, ready for my 2 to 4 open house, just had Fernando's absolutely amazing Mexican food, and then you tagged them, they were on social media, they put it on their stories, and imagine if someone was about to go and maybe eat there, they saw that story, they also are in the market of buying a home, and potentially you just sold a home because you were proactive for your open house event, and it was beneficial because you had individuals come to your open house and it worked out full circle. That's just one example of so many more that you could take advantage of. Now, what if you wanted to do long form content, same type of principle, but 2 hours before your open house, you went to that local shopping center, and then you went to a local park, you went to a local school, and then you toured the actual neighborhood of where the listing's located. So you did a video talking about 123 Main Street, and here is where they're gonna shop and buy groceries, and this is potentially where their kids can go to school, and this is potentially the parks that the kids can play at, and here's the amazing neighborhood where the parks are located, and so on and so forth. Now, you're double ending opportunities by saying, hey, well, I already have this open house. Let's just take advantage of who's in the neighborhood, who's in the area, at the parks in proximity of the listing, walking their dogs, shopping, or going to the restaurant local to that, say, listing. Potentially might have a friend or relative that might potentially want to buy because they want to live close to where, say, their friends live, or potentially they might want to sell their home. And so imagine you being able to do some canvassing with the videos that you're filming and just talk to people that are out there at the park and say, hey, would you mind being in a video talking about the specific neighborhood, what you like about it, what you don't like about it? That automatically opens up communication for you to be able to speak to that said potential homeowner, and maybe they want to sell. See, there's all of these various ways that you could be adding value from your past efforts to your future successes, and this is where it gets really, really good. So I appreciate you staying to this part of the video. If you turn your long form videos about the area, schools, parks, and what have you into a YouTube video, and you turn that into a blog, and you put that onto your website, now the YouTube video can help you with search engine optimization, and the blog can help you with, say, ChatGPT and being found. And then guess what? Both of these are gonna come together, and it's gonna help you on both forefronts, where you're gonna be able to have evergreen content that's always gonna be there, potentially also be found because of the write-up, turning your video into a blog, and then them finding your website, downloading a guide, getting into your email marketing campaign, and then full circle, this works out for your favor. Okay, let's take it a step further. You're gonna have an open house, and you already did the video about the area, and you had a QR code where they signed into your, say, open house. And then it was a landing page and it showed pictures, floor plans, neighborhood guide, and also the video that you filmed about the area. Maybe the house wasn't exactly what they looked for or wanted to look for, or maybe wanted in general, but now they're actually interested in potentially buying a home down the block because they love the neighborhood so much. See, these are things that you could be doing with passive prospecting. Then just talk about the area and add value with what you're already doing, and then drive that traffic over to a said location, to a intake form that could be filled out, a map showing your coverage area, to a relocation or specific, say, community guide, or even now going and doing neighborhood quizzes to be able to identify that maybe if someone was to go look at the specific home that you had on the market for an open house, maybe your open house or not, where they could fill out an actual neighborhood quiz. And this neighborhood quiz would spit out specifically the actual neighborhoods that they should be looking at potentially buying a home in because of their specific wants and needs. Mind blown. See, this is working smarter, not harder, and leveraging passive prospecting and passive prospecting systems to have more success in this process. So that way you don't actually have to work any harder. You just have to be more intentional. These are strategies that we like to implement with you at Liftoff Agent so you can have more success, because you can hire all these other companies out there. But the thing is the rubber meets the road is what is the strategy behind the website that you specifically have, if any, and what is your intention when it comes to social media, long form and short form, and how are you maximizing your opportunities where you could just be more intentional by adding value, even though you're on the way to an open house, or even though you're doing something else with a formal listing presentation or inspection, and you're just looking at this opportunity that I'm already going to be driving, already going to be going this areas. Let's throw my camera up on that mount on the dashboard and maximize opportunities. See, these are things that you could be doing today, right now, to be able to have more success within your real estate business. You just gotta be more intentional and think about strategic ways to have more success with the process. Now, we have the open house journey, liftoffagent.com, underneath resources that you could take advantage of, specifically with what I was just talking about. We have the first 22 videos to film with the beginner guide for YouTube. We have how to automate your business utilizing technology. All free resources, liftoffagent.com. And of course, set up an obligation strategy call with us here at Liftoff Agent. We'll go into specifically your goals, your strategy, what you're currently doing, your farming, the listings that you have, and the marketing potentially that you can deploy to have more success within your business. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This video was actually inspired because I did a short form video along the same lines with Liftoff Agent. And so as soon as I posted this video, I was like, oh my God, I gotta film this. I was in between a couple of appointments. I typically don't film unless it's Monday for filming content day, but I had 17 minutes and I was really motivated. So I'm like, I'm gonna put this mic on. I'm gonna pop on this camera real quick and get a video for our YouTube channel. This is an exact prime example of what I'm doing right now to leverage my past efforts for my future successes to have more success in everyday opportunities in the exact industry that I'm in and that I'm serving. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.